Built-in 250W max, 100 W RMS, Class D amplifier. 9x5-1/2 rectangular subwoofer, 8 woofer effective surface area. Pioneer digital bass control digitally matches the subwoofer output to your listening preference and vehicle interior. Compact enclosure for installation flexibility. Small in size, yet able to produce powerful and impactful bass, the TS-WX400DA compact active subwoofer is a perfect upgrade for many of today's vehicles where small size and low power consumption are a priority. Featuring a powerful, built-in 250W max, 100 W RMS, Class D amplifier, down-firing 9x5-1/2 rectangular subwoofer and Pioneer's digital bass control, the TS-WX400DA can be digitally matched to your listening preference and vehicle interior. The TS-WX400DA also has multiple input options and either triggered or auto turn on, allowing connectivity to both aftermarket and OE, original equipment, car audio systems. Measuring only 11 3/4 wide, 7 7/8 deep, and 3 7/8 high, the TS-WX400DA can be installed in many vehicle types and applications. Top reviews from the United States. All-around value. The bass coming from this compact box is very clean, and certainly fills our RAV4 with a deeper music experience. Whether listening to EDM, hip-hop, or a classical organ piece, the bass comes through clear and provides impact. Well worship, and very easy to install.